What is instantaneous rate of reaction? The rate of reaction measured at a particular time is called instantaneous rate of reaction. What is this? It is the rate of reaction measured at a particular time is called instantaneous rate of reaction. See, this is also given by instantaneous rate equal to dR by dt. That is, this is also change in concentration of reactant by change in time. But this dt is very small. This dt tends to 0. This minus sign indicates decrease in concentration of reactant. This also equal to dp by dt, that is change in concentration of product P divided by change in time, but this dt is very small. How you can find this instantaneous rate of reaction? See, for that we have to draw a graph of concentration versus time. You will get a curve, and at time t we have to draw a tangent, and slope of that tangent will give you instantaneous rate at that time. So how you can calculate slope of tangent drawn to the curve of concentration versus time graph at a particular time gives instantaneous rate at that time. Let's see how. See this graph, you know this graph, concentration of reactant versus time. As time goes, concentration of reactants decreases, you know this already. See, suppose you want to calculate rate of the reaction at a time t. For that, see, at time t, draw a perpendicular line. At this point you have to draw a tangent. Slope of this tangent will give you instantaneous rate. How you calculate rate slope for this tangent? So for that you have to draw a right angle triangle like this, and slope will be given by this distance divided by this distance. This distance is concentration axis here, so that is dr, and divided by this distance is dt. So r instant is minus dr by dt, that equal to minus slope. Minus indicates for reactant concentration will be decreasing. So slope of tangent drawn to the curve at a time t will give you instantaneous rate at that time. This is for reactant. C for product, this is concentration of product versus time graph. As time goes, concentration of product will increases. Now if you want to find instantaneous rate at time t, for that draw a perpendicular line. At this point draw a tangent. Slope of this tangent will give you instantaneous rate at this time t. To get slope, construct a right angle triangle. Slope will be given by this distance divided by this distance. This is concentration of product axis, so this is dp divided by dt. This is time axis, so r instant equal to dp by dt, that equal to slope. The slope of tangent will give you instantaneous rate at this time. Let's see a problem on this, you will understand more clearly. I will explain this in next video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video, and spread worldwide to help others.